So in this practice, consider the n equal 4th state of a hydrogen atom. First question is what is the maximum magnitude L of the orbital angular momentums? So first question is n equal 4. So this means L can take 0, 1, 2, 3 up to the n minus 1. So 3, L equals 3 is the maximum values. This is the max. So the angular momentums is a square root L times L plus 1 h bar. So it becomes 2 square root 3 h bar. It's 3.467 h bar. This is the answer to the first question. In the second question, what is the maximum value of the L sub z? So now the question is m sub L can take the 0 plus minus 1 up to the plus minus L. The maximum value of the ml is actually equal to the L. So in this case, L is a 3. So it's going to be 3 h bar. This is the answer to the second question. Third question is what is the minimum angle between the L and Z axis? So we consider this is Z axis. And then this is m sub L equals 0 correspond. M sub L is 1, 2, 3. So 2, 3. So lowest angle is given by this case. So if you draw the triangles of these ones, you can draw the triangles. This is theta. And then this is 3 h bar. And then from the first questions, it becomes 2 square root 3 h bar. And then from the second question, 3 h bar. So this is gonna be square root 3 h bar. Then this is half of the equilateral triangle. So theta is a 30 degree. This is the answer to the third questions. Okay, this is the end of this practice.